Tonight we are at Ningxia Night Market in Taipei, Taiwan.
Hey everybody, so we just boarded a very early morning flight to go to Taipei. So, say hi. Say hi. Okay, they don't want to talk. But anyway, we should land in Taipei like 9 something in the morning. So we've been out since 3:40 because it takes an hour to get to the airport on the airport bus. So yeah, and for those of you who don't know, the Incheon Airport TSA is sort of like a cluster sometimes. So yeah, be careful of that. But anyway, yeah, we'll let you know when we get to Taipei and take you along with us for the time that we're there. It's going to be awesome.
During our stay in Taipei, we decided to stay at the Illume Taipei.
Hey everybody, so we made it to Taipei, Taiwan.
Taipei, Taiwan.
We just checked into our hotel. We're staying in a place called the Illume Taipei. It's Illume. A super great hotel. The staff has been so friendly. They let us check in, 4 hours early and didn't charge us a fee for it. They brought up our luggage. They were just so kind, so friendly.
Yep.
And our room is gorgeous and amazing. So let's take a look.
The Illume Taipei is located really conveniently near things like Taipei Arena and Taipei 101. It's also really close to the Taipei Arena metro station, around a 6-minute walk. The hotel is beautiful, but what was even better than the hotel itself is the staff. They are the kindest and most helpful staff we met during our time in Taipei. Another quick note, there was apparently an earthquake happening while we were there and we didn't even know it, so yeah, that's kind of interesting. After taking a quick nap at the hotel, we decided to head over to the Ningxia Night Market. Hello everybody, tonight we are at Ningxia Night Market in Taipei, Taiwan. We're super excited to be here. It's about 9 o'clock at night right now. We took a cab to get here from our hotel. It's like a mix between quiet and loud, obviously because the night market is right behind us.
And all the bikes.
And all of the bikes. Yeah, there's lots of bikes and Vespas and mopeds here. We're really excited to be here. And,
so the market is open until 1 a.m. We asked the front desk at our hotel, and one of the workers told us that this was her favorite night market of all the night markets here in Taipei. So we're gonna go see what it's all about.
Ningxia Night Market is located really conveniently, especially for tourists because it's close to the main train station and Dehua Street. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. That street is considered Taipei's oldest street, and it's likely somewhere that you're going to want to visit anyway so that you can get that cool historic feel. Ningxia is also located on a single street, so it makes it really easy to navigate and not get overwhelmed, which can be an issue for tourists sometimes, especially with the hustle and bustle of night markets.
What's up everybody? So we just got boba tea at Taro Taro. It's a local boba shop. They make, certain boba drinks. The one I got is just a regular milk tea boba. It's really, really good. It's only my second one that I've had ever, but I really like it so far. I've drank about half of it already. And
I got something called Kalpas pineapple tea. I had no clue what Kalpas is. They described it to me as like a lime yogurt drink. It doesn't look like yogurt. It doesn't taste like yogurt. So I don't know if that's actually true. When you look it up online, it says it's a Japanese non-carbonated soft drink. So that, along with pineapple and boba, it's adorable. It tastes amazing. So if you're over at Ningxia Night Market, it'll be here.
yes, so if you're walking Ningxia Night Market, make sure to come to Taro Taro. It's near the end of the strip.
With the little French bulldog on the side.
Yes, with the little French bulldog on the side. Definitely come here. We recommend it. It's really good.
Yeah,
We're
10 out of 10.
gonna keep walking around and finding stuff we like. So yeah, guys.
Well, thanks for following us along in our first night in Taipei. Stick around, there's a lot more to come. Thanks for watching.